Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. Today's topic is this: what you require to open a CDS account. What do you need to open a CDS account? Basically, you need three things to open a CDS account. But before I go into that, I have a request. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. There's a red button there. Click on it. Secondly, if you're new here, another request, join our Telegram group. That's where we talk about the stock market 24/7. We don't sleep. We discuss the stocks to buy, stocks to sell, and the trends to look at. And if you're new here also, I have a request for you. If you have, let's say, 50,000 and above, and you want this money to grow quickly, I invite you to join the VIP section, VIP group. My number is down here on the comment section and on the description. Get in touch. I will help you to grow your money quickly. Our aim in the VIP group is very simple: to identify 3 or 4 stocks, maybe 5, that will grow quickly in a period of 30 days and give us 10% return each. Now, if you can get 10% return in like 3 or 4 stocks and keep doing that 12 months in a year, you will get almost 300% return. That is what we are aiming for in the VIP group. And now back to the topic. Requirements to open a CDS account. 1, you need an ID. If you are not a Kenyan, then we need a passport. You can scan the ID and send it to the stockbroker. We have 30 stockbrokers in Kenya. Any of them can open for your CDS account. But on this channel, we have Mike Ayo. We work in partnership with the Genghis Capital, and Mike Ayo is a registered agent of Genghis Capital. He will help you open a CDS account. He will help you start investing in the stock market. So you need an ID that you will scan. You also need a KRA PIN, and you need 2 passport photos. Once you have those, you can send them to Mike Ayo, and Mike Ayo will give you some forms that you need to fill. Once you fill these forms, they are called CDS forms. Once you fill these forms, then he'll take them to the stockbroker, which is Genghis Capital, and the account will be processed. It takes about 3 working days, 3 to 4 working days to process the account and have it ready. Once you have the account ready, then you can put money in the account and start investing and start buying shares. Our work is very simple. We buy a share, it goes up, we sell. Our aim is make 10% return in a month. And we keep doing that every month for 12 months. Our aim in this group is to make 100% return per year. It is not easy. Let me tell you that for a fact. It is not easy to make 100% return in a month, in a year. But that is what I'm aiming at. To make 100% return in a year. Basically, what that means is very simple. To double our money in a year. Look, the banks give you 5% return. About 6% return. Insurance companies give you 3% return. Lower than the inflation. Money market gives you about 9% return. SACCOs give you about 10% return. Treasury bills gives you about 12% return. I, Peter Oluoch, is giving you 100% return. Join our Telegram group. That's where we are trying to practice this principle of growing our money quickly in the stock market. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching. I have a request. If you're new here, subscribe, click the red subscribe button. If you're new here again, join our Telegram group. The link is below in the description and in the comment section. Asante sana. God bless you and have a nice time.